Hi, I'm Lottie Smith, school counselor for Lincoln Edge. I want to share some information about accessing your Lincoln Edge part-time coursework. Parents should have received emails with login credentials for Genius. There will be a student login credentials for Genius as well as a parent login credentials for Genius. It is important when students are trying to access their coursework that they're using the student account and the student credentials to log in, as only the student account will be able to access the work. The parent account will only be able to access Genius and monitor coursework. This is a login screen for Genius. Please fill in the credentials that were sent via an email and you will be able to access Genius. When a student logs into Genius, this is what their Genius dashboard will look like. It's important when you first log in to edit your password, as it is a temporary password, and you'll see the edit on the bottom left on the blue column. To access coursework, you can just click on the launch button on either class and they will take you to Edgenuity to do your work. It is important to note another feature here is access to our Lincoln Edge landing page. The landing page contains a lot of information regarding contacting our team, or more importantly, how-to videos. So if there's something that you need to know, that would be a great resource. When a student has clicked Launch on their coursework in their Genius dashboard, it will take you to the Edgenuity screen. On the left-hand side, you will see the dashboard, which is what I'm showing now. For students to access their courses, they just need to click on one class or either class that's listed there. On the left-hand side, you will also see other information to help you navigate your course. You can opt in for your teacher or teachers to text message. You can also click on the course information button and you will find all of the teacher access information, including phone number, email, and the ability to schedule a meeting. You can also see your pacing in Edgenuity through using the academic snapshot. The academic snapshot information will sync back to both the student and parent Genius account as well. When a student clicks a course on the dashboard from the prior screen on their Edgenuity screen, this screen will open where students can access their work. You can access the work by clicking on Next Activity. However, the preferred method is to click somewhere above the bar so that you can access the course map. The course map will enable you to see not only your progress, but all assignments that will be required for you to complete prior to the end of the course. This is an example of what the course would look like. Students would start at the top of the activities or assignments and work through them in order. You can scroll down and see all of the activities until the end of the course. Please note the purple lines are in between units, and if you click on the plus sign on the right, it will expand to provide some more information. In the core courses, there will be guided notes. To access your classes, just click on Next Activity in the right corner, and you will be able to start with your classwork. In the last slide, I showed you an example of the course for an elective course, health, or a PE or health course. For the core courses, many of them are on the EdgeX format, which is the same course, but it just looks a little differently. You can also access all of your upcoming assignments by scrolling down. This is our Lincoln Edge landing page. You can access this page when you log into Genius. It's a link at the top above your courses in your Genius page. There's a lot of resources here, in particular the how-to resources. If you click on that tab, it will open and have many short videos, which will give you information about many things, such as how to contact your teacher, how to schedule a meeting with your teacher, how to use the course map, understand how grading works. So feel free to use this resource throughout the school year while you're completing your part-time courses. Thank you for choosing Lincoln Edge for your part-time course. If you have any questions as the course progresses, please contact Edge Support at iu12.org. Thank you.